Good night, everybody. This is Owen here and welcome to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. This is my 1993 Volvo 240 Classic. It's the very last year that the 240s were produced over such a long span of time, starting in the 70s. It has the famously indestructible 4-cylinder B230F engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Not to mention, of course, the Volvo 240s are all rear-wheel drive, making this an excellent, famous platform for many different reasons. Now, on this beautiful late Friday night, rather than hitting the clubs and partying hard, not that I usually do that, we're gonna be taking out the Volvo 240 on this night drive. The air is crisp and the night is young, and we have an automotive legend here. So without further ado, my friends, let's hop on in and fire her up. And off we go. So now that we're on the road, as you'll see, we're not in a very dense populated area at the moment, more residential vibes, but we'll be getting out and we'll be exploring some different types of areas. Right now, I'm gonna head to the highway to get to the other side of this city, and in that we'll be able to test some significant highway speeds and climbing steep gradients at highway speeds in this old car. Overall, we're going to be enjoying the Volvo 240 tonight and just testing it out, seeing how it does as a daily driver. And if you enjoy these videos, please drop a comment and let me know. I put a lot of time into putting these videos out, so I absolutely love reading your guys' comments and responding to them, as well as just hearing about all of your experiences, your thoughts on the videos, etc. It's also just amazing to have the opportunity to be out here doing this. Like I said, it's a Friday night, so there's a little more traffic than on a weekday. One thing about driving a fishbowl like this is all of the modern LED lights really just pierce through you. Let's see how we merge with oncoming traffic. Being on a downhill definitely helps you get up to speed. And here we are at 60 miles per hour with 0 shakes or wobbles. And something I really appreciate with these older Volvos is how well sealed off they are. For a car shaped somewhat like a brick, the road noise is pretty minimal. And they're just really smooth and sound rides. And now, as quick as that, we're off of the main highway to climb ourselves out of the river valley on an alternate road. The speed limit coming up this steep, windy road is 70 kilometers an hour. And I don't think we'll have much of a problem climbing up it in 4th gear at the appropriate speed. terms of acceleration with the average modern traffic around, in typical traffic, I usually don't have any problem keeping up with anybody or just sticking with the flow of traffic. So this car does well with its 4-cylinder engine and its gearing, and all things to be considered. If you made it this far in the video and you have any types of videos or any cars that you want to see more of, or really just anything, drop a comment down below and let me know. Really is a super nice night. There's no wind. It's not too cold. I think it's 1 degree. So it's a good night to be out and about. Let me know what kind of weather you've been having where you guys live. It's always super neat hearing your different perspectives and geography, especially coming from someone who's lived in Canada their whole life. I think you can tell from watching this video and others just kind of the type of roads that are around where I drive these cars. The one type of roads that I could see myself not wanting to drive an older car like this, I'd be good driving my 850, but I wouldn't want to push this 240, for example, hard on the interstate. Yeah, busy, fast interstate traffic. And really this car will take you anywhere on any roads. It's just about that level of comfort. But through all these years, the Volvo 240 remains such an amazing car that totally still shines on these roads today. Car I just love to hop in with that classic retro feel, lay back, play some tunes and cruise, and really just appreciate its character. Of course, it's not perfect. It's got its rattles, its squeaks. There's always something you can improve. It'll get more and more of an overhaul over time, of course. It's got some things that are more worn out than others. But especially when you're buying an old car or any car in general, it's like a house. It'll never be perfect. That's about it for this video and this cruise tonight in the 1993 Volvo 240 wagon. comment, subscribe to stick around for more, and as always, safe driving, everybody.